Hi, I'm Josh with Black Rabbit Service Company. I'm here with the Mahlkonig E80 grind by sink grinder, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate zero on the grind coarseness. To access the calibration, you'll first need to log in as owner. Click into the menu, go to User Management, log in, select the number menu, eyeball so you can see what you're typing. Mahlkonig owner password is 1924. Hit return. You're logged in as owner. Navigate back out to the service menu. Scroll down to disk distance calibrate. Enter the calibration. It provides instructions step by step how to calibrate. First, you'll need to close the hopper slide, grind out any remaining coffee in the grinder, once empty, you can then use this button to initiate the grinder while using your jog dial to turn and adjust the burr distance. You're going to go clockwise to decrease distance between the burrs and counterclockwise to increase distance. You'll see here the measurement in microns distance between the burrs. So you want to make that adjustment all the way down until you hear the burrs chirp. Once you hear that sound, you can stop grinding and hit the lower left button to set the zero. Click yes to store the modified calibration value, and your calibration is set. And now you're ready to start dialing in your espresso.
Thank you, JJ. Double JJ.